Hello children, we are starting with practice set 15.1. First question, if base of a parallelogram is 18 centimeter and its height is 11 centimeter, find its area. Solution, given base equals to 18 centimeter, height equals to 11 centimeter. Formula to calculate the area of parallelogram is base into height. So 18 into 11 equals to 198 square centimeter. Areas are given in square unit. Therefore, area of parallelogram is 198 square centimeter. Question 2. If area of a parallelogram is 29.6 square centimeter and its base is 8 centimeter, find its height. Given area of parallelogram 29.6 square centimeter, base 8 centimeter. So area of parallelogram equals to base into height. Here area is given. So 29.6 equals to 8 into height. Therefore height equals to divide by 8. You will get 29.6 divided by 8 equals to 3.7 centimeter. Therefore the height of the parallelogram is 3.7 centimeter. Next question. Area of parallelogram is 83.2 square centimeter. If its height is 6.4 centimeter, find the length of its base. Area of parallelogram equals to 83.2 square centimeter. Height equals to 6.4 centimeter. Therefore, area of parallelogram equals to base into height. Therefore, 83.2 equals to base into 6.4. Therefore, base equals to 83.2 divided by 6.4 equals to 13 centimeter. Therefore, the length of the base of the parallelogram is 13 centimeter. This much is sufficient for this exercise. In the next video, we are going to see the next exercise. Till then, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Thank you.